I get asked this question frequently, so I decided to create a very simple, short, and focused video on answering this question. I can't find my messages. Where are they? And the bottom line is all email that comes to your Gmail account initially starts heading for your inbox. That's where it's heading for, is your inbox. Now, if it's not in your inbox, there's a couple different things that could have happened to move it out of your inbox. However, there's only one of 4 places that these messages could be if they're not in your inbox. And let me show you and explain to you what those are. Under More, you have all mail, spam, and trash. If it's not in your inbox, it may be that you archive that message. If you click on a message, you can see there's the archive icon. You may have done that manually or you may have done that with automation. But if it's not in your inbox, it may be in all mail. If it's not in your inbox and it's not in all mail, there's only 3 other places it can be. Number 1 is that either you or the system may have marked that message as spam and it's in your spam folder. Or if it's not in all mail and not in spam, it may be in trash. And that would have to have been either an automated step you did with the rule or an automatic filter, or you manually clicked on that message and you selected it and you said delete the message, which again, when you delete the message, it's going to go to trash. There's the message that I just deleted, somewhere in the list here. Now, if it's not in, you can't see it in your inbox, if it's not archived and in all mail, if it's not in spam or it's not in trash, it has been permanently deleted. By the way, any message that ends up in spam, either by your actions or automated activities from the system, within 30 days that message showing up in spam, it will automatically be deleted permanently. Furthermore, any message that ends up in trash, in 30 days, that message will be automatically and permanently deleted. You see the message right there is delete forever. So again, if it's not in your inbox, it could have been archived, moved to spam, or moved to trash. If it's not in all mail, it's either in spam or it's in trash, or it has been permanently deleted. There is no variables around this. All mail, spam, or trash. And it won't be in your inbox if you archived it. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this makes sense and is helpful for you.